guys, welcome to Evanston. This was a complete total transformation. Let's break it down. Starting on the exterior of the home, we replaced all the windows, rebuilt the front stoop with blue slate stone tile, totally transformed the garage with new siding and new garage door. As you come into the home, we expanded the kitchen. We've got custom countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets that flow perfectly with the blue subway tile backsplash and quartz countertops. This home has hardwood floors throughout the first and second floor. We also have a first floor master suite with vaulted ceilings and a walk-in shower. As we go upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, tray ceilings in 2 of the bedrooms, crown molding throughout the entire second floor, and a double bowl vanity in the bathroom with custom tile. Lastly, we have a finished basement. Let's also not forget we have new mechanicals, new plumbing, and new electrical throughout this entire house. Our team took this property from start to finish. We have an in-house construction division. We are also licensed agents. If you're looking to partner with us on your next deal, call us today.